Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today is day number, what is it? 18th of Writer's Prompt. We're almost, oh, what's that in my hair? Get out. We're almost there, guys. So before we get into this video, I want you guys to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And also go follow my social media pages where I'm lit over there. I'm lit on my Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Link down in the description box. And yeah, let's get into this video. First Writer's Prompt is definitely, what's this one? The Rocketship. Talk about a rocket ship on its way to the moon or a distant galaxy far, far away. Oh yeah. I always wonder if we'd ever went into space, to a rocket ship to the moon. Cause I always wonder what the moons look like. I know there's some ones the first man that walked on the moon, that. But I wonder what exactly on the moon. Is it just rocks, the rocks on Earth, but much different? Or is it just a fib? Is it real or fake? Cause I feel it's kind of not another I don't know. I feel it's another universe that none of us really talk about or talk to. So I was wondering if it's a distant land, it's all just nothing but black space, it's nothing really up there except for the lights, the stars, which every time you guys look at the sky and see the stars, another one's being placed there instead of the area was different, it was nothing there. So I have a bunch of theories about that, but I don't know if I should tell you guys about that. Because from my point of view, I think stars, I know this is getting off topic, but I think the stars in the sky, space, every time a new star is added, it's because someone has either passed on or went up to space in heaven. I know people think of a heaven and hell and all that stuff, but I think there's another area, another realm with I'm getting so excited, there's another person they're all of them is up in there. That's why we have stars in the sky, because we're all a star in our way. So you know how they say about the falling stars? That's neither here nor there. I'm not gonna say it. I'm not gonna give you guys all that detail. So yeah, but for sure, definitely think that there is if I ever have a rocket ship and fly out to space and stuff, I would definitely if for a far distant land, we've traveled instead of going to the moon, I travel back in time, the sky, the sky is actually a way to go to a different realm and stuff like that. It's go to say for instance we go to our past, present, future, or it would just go to another planet, not just any planet, another planet, planet Earth or something like that. That would be cool. So that's what I think about if we ever get on the rocket and travel from here all the way over there. Cause I just think that there's another kind of another Earth, Earth 3 or 4, kind of like that, in multi-universe up there. So, cause I just think that I don't know. I've always been a believer of stuff like that. I always been a believer of that. There's another distant land from here, or there's another all the universe of the fantasy universe, say supernatural and stuff like that. It's here. It's just me. I know it can sound oh, she's a kid, but You had once believed it too. Don't lie, don't fail about it. You had once believed it too that stuff was real. But for me, it just comes from my reality. Like, it happens and stuff like that. Yeah. But, I don't know. But it definitely would be cool to go to the moon and see. Like, I always, like, I hear, like, the people say, like, they're so, like, moon rocks, like, they ain't getting real moon rocks. Like, how you even get up there? Like, the people that supposedly went to space had grabbed stuff. Like, how did you guys get moon rocks? Like, I mean, they could have got it from, like, one of those, what's it called? Meteor showers and stuff. Like, how they have the rocks falling from the sky. But I don't know. How do you guys, like, just get your hands on rocks like that? Like, how? How? Explain to me how you get that rocks. Please. There you go. You can see me right here. But yeah, I just believe that the universe of, like, the outer space and, like, different, like, there's, like, another planet up there. I believe in that. So if you guys believe in that, or believe in there's, like, another, I'd say, universe or another system, comment down that below. Comment down universe, or comment down what's your opinions about it. I want you guys to know, so comment down below. You got 5 seconds. 5, 4, now 3, another 2, now 1. Okay. So yeah, but that conversation, like, I was thinking about, like, I don't know, just sometimes I think it's just sitting back thinking, like, oh, what is this? Like, what if there's another universe out there? That would be cool. And that's how most of it goes, but sometimes I end up, like, seeing, like, there's, like, actually if it's true or not. But yeah, I mean, that would make a great explanation of why there's a bunch of stars in the sky, or why there's a bunch of, like, kind of like yeah, star shapes up in the sky, or like the beam lights, like. But yeah, or yeah, I don't know. What else I can talk about? Universe. I don't know, cause it's like, if I always like plan, like, one day that if there ever been like a universe like that, that would be cool. Cause I'll be like, what if there's like another? Okay, I know there's like, they're always like, we always say that there's like another, there's never gonna be another you, another me, another person. But what if it's like true? Like, you have like your own, like, not like how for like, you'll have your own doppelganger, like your other person from the other planet, and that's on another planet. Like for instance, like when you, for instance, like if you go like, say you're here on planet Earth, like they probably call this Earth 1, and on Earth 2 you have another you, but it's like a whole opposite of you, and then you have Earth 3, there you have a person that's kind of like a mixture of different you, like another person of you. Like, say for instance, this Earth 1 of me, I'm kind of like a chill vibe, KP, or kind of like to dress like boho-ish, and the next version of me, like say Earth 2, likes to like be more of a classy one, like she dressed up fancy, she goes out, she's like that. And then I have Earth 3 me, who's like just a total opposite of that is like probably like gymnastics or something like that. Her just sporty, and like total opposite of who I am. Like, wouldn't that be cool though? Like, if you would have your own self, like a whole multi-universe of your personalities, like you, like probably on the next KP, she's probably not look exactly like me, but probably like different. Like she'd be like, I don't know, a different race or general or something. But that'd be cool, like though. Like, imagine that. Imagine that. If you get me, comment that down below. Comment down below, cause for real, that would be cool though. Like a different you on the universe, like. Who would not want that? Like, who would want that? I would want that. I would want that. But, yeah, though. Who wouldn't want to be like that? Like, for instance, like, oh, yeah, I kind of did my hair different this time. I did as you guys see in like my last videos, I did my hair in like 2 buns, but then I put it in like a ponytail. Yeah, I would end up like washing my hair this time because my hair needed a wash. It needed a wash and decline, so I ended up putting this in my 2 buns and actually like use all my hair, pulled it, make sure it's tight, and it got me good poofs. It got me 2 pom-poms on my head, so like I can do this now. I'll do this now. So I'm like happy I got my puffs. I like my puffs. I like my hair in my puffs, my ponytails, my bantu knots, my hair is down or twists. I just love my hair in natural form. Like if I can just go walk out with my hair like curly, but like kind of style, like my hair's like down, like it's weighted down, but not like straight down. It's just like curly down, like it's like in a bob or something like that. I like my hair like that. Cause like my hair, like I like being free in my hair and allow my hair to like do what it do or do what it wants. Cause like I don't want it to be like feel like it's like have to be weighted down or be like have to be like in a certain position. It's just like be yourself. So that's why like I want my hair to represent me. So my hair represents me right now. I feel like kiddish but fun and happy and wow. But now I like, cause that's like me. Cause I've been like that's what I've been going this year. Like for instance, like for learning, I've been like liking myself to be more back my adventurous self, where I like to be out, out freeing her. But yeah, probably not gonna be outside for a bit. Cause if you guys need to apologize for my voice if it sounds like I'm sick. I am sick currently, so everyone in the house is sick. So yeah, we're not gonna be like out and open because we don't want to be sick and spread it and stuff. So yeah, I am sick for the record, so my voice sounds funny. I apologize. I'm just sick. I can't help me being sick. If I could, I want to be real sick right now. I'll probably be like jittery in my happy-go-lucky self, but right now I am a little bit sleazy and slothy. I took a nap the other day. I didn't know I fell asleep. I just was watching TV and then fell asleep, and then my sister had to end up woke me up when she came in like my room, in her room, cause I was sleeping in her room. I fell asleep on her bed, and she walked in, like she was like sitting there, and like I didn't know my eyes was closed, and she walked, and I think she walked in, and she was like messing with stuff, and like I woke up like, what happened? And she's like, I'm going to bed. I'm moving my stuff. She started moving the stuff, so, and I didn't want to go back to sleep. I went straight to my room and went to bed. I even took a bath. I took a bath. I need to go take a bath. But after this video, because I wanted to give you guys a video of what my writer's prop, because I am happy of what is going to happen. Oh, please check out my recreates, because I did another Beyonce recreate. I'm going to do another recreate soon, so check that out. Go check out my Beyonce recreates. It's been posted. It's probably the video before this one, so yeah, check that out. But yeah, going to the moon and back, like in the universe, thinking of that stuff, it's awesome, lit, and fun. But yeah, I think that's it for this video of like the rockets, because I think that's it for this part of the video of me and rockets and stuff like that. So this writer's prop is complete. It's finished. It is done. Donut. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit that little bell to be notified when I post a video. And also go follow my social media pages, link down in the description box below. And comment down below of rockets, or what's your theory of the space, or what you guys would do if you guys get to able to travel to the moon and back. Me, I will definitely want to see if the moon is, I know the moon is real, like that, but I want to know what's out there. If it's like a black space, if it's not what they're always saying where the moon is, or what the sky looks like, or if there's something else out there. I want to know. So comment down your thoughts and opinions, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. Yeah. Oh dang. But yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you guys in the next vid. Bye, cuties. Cutie out. And don't forget to hit that little bell to notify I post a video. And also, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm Lil over here. Bye!